Good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday, October the 15th. We are halfway through this month. I am halfway through Vlogtober. I am so proud of myself. I have actually vlogged every day, even though I forget some moments that may be kind of interesting. I'm doing better than I thought I would. I am up this morning attempting to go on my walk. Well, I was attempting to go on my walk, but it looks like it's gonna rain. Yeah, it's pretty gloomy. It's pretty gloomy out. The sky there is pretty gloomy, but at any rate. So I've got my coffee here in my French press steeping, getting nice and coffee-like, what it should be doing. And in the meantime, I am going to try, I have this Too Good yogurt right here, but I am going to try this Too Good yogurt. I've had one before. I really didn't like it. It had the strawberry flavor. I really didn't like it much, but I just needed something in it. So I bought this Sola Granola, okay, 4 net carbs per bowl. So let's see what a serving size is. One serving size is 2/3 cup. I don't even need that much. I don't even eat that much. So, and put like a spoonful in my yogurt here just to see how, just to see if it's any good. Okay, let's see if the yogurt's good first. Okay, yeah, it looks like yogurt. All right, I'm gonna give this a try. Okay, so I'm trying the Sola Granola. I peeled back. I peeled this bag, but it still didn't open all the way, so I'm gonna get my scissors here to open up the package. And this flavor is vanilla almond. It smells really yummy. Let's go ahead and give it a taste first. Mmm. Okay, very good. All right, so I've got my Too Good blueberry flavored yogurt, which is 2 net carbs per serving. This is 1 serving. And I'm just gonna get about a spoonful or so of this. Add this in. Well, actually, no, that's not enough. Let's do 2 spoonfuls. All right, so I've got that in there. See, can you guys see that? Now let's mix it up. And again, I had this in the strawberry flavor, and I just had the yogurt by itself. Didn't like it much. It would be fine again with something in it. So I'm hoping that this will do it some justice. Let's see. Mm. Mm. I definitely love the crunch. Not bad. It is better. But it's still not the best. So I think this is just a yogurt that I'm not fond of, or maybe just something I have to get used to, because I am used to my yogurts being a lot sweeter. So there are other ways that I can add some sweetness to these. So I'm not gonna give up on the Too Good yet. It is better with the granola in it. The taste of the Sola is really, really yummy. Yeah, I think with this, I could make a smoothie bowl, a nice, rich, thick smoothie bowl, using maybe blueberries and raspberries, and add some granola on top. On the Sola Granola, the vanilla almond flavor, I give this a thumbs up. It's yummy. It's really delicious, guys. It's really delicious. Yeah.
Oh, your camera going over here.
Like I didn't know that. All right, guys, so I did go on my walk. I did only 1.47 miles today, so about a mile and a half. That was all I was able to get in because it looked like it was going to rain, so I'm just glad I got it in. Hey guys, say hey Angelina.
Hey.
So Angelina and I came out to the Apple store to buy a couple of items, and the Apple stores are closed. We are out in a shopping center that is usually packed no matter what time of the year you come. And I mean, it is like a desert out here. It's not nearly as many people. Just reminds me of, you know, how we seem to take for granted the things that we once had. We took for granted those things. I'm just, you know, I kind of miss the way things were. Not kind of, I miss it. I miss being able to just go in a store and breathe freely instead of having to breathe through a mask. But at any rate, so this was a wasted trip. Wasted trip.
Yeah.
We have made it back home, and now we're getting ready for our weekly Bible study, which we do every Thursday online. And so I'm getting ready for that right now. As soon as we are done with Bible study, then I'm going to go ahead and head in the kitchen and get dinner started. All right, for dinner, guys, we are having this seasoned sliced beef brisket that I got from Sam's Club. All I had to do was put it in the oven at 350 degrees and heat it all the way through. So I've got that in the oven going right now. Now, this is a quick fix meal, okay, guys? This is a quick one. And so next, I'm going to now make some green beans. And so this is how I make my green beans. Whenever I need like a half an onion only, I'll go on and chop up the rest of it, and I'll put it in a container so I can use it for the next time. That way I don't have to chop onions every single time I cook. And I use onions a lot. So anyway, I'm getting ready to make some green beans right now. And these are just regular canned green beans. But this is how I, make them just a bit tastier. So I'm going to add some to the skillet. I'm not going to use all of these. I'm going to use about half of them. Add about half the onions to the skillet. To this, I'm going to go ahead and put a drizzle of olive oil, about a tablespoon of olive oil. And then I'm going to also, for flavor, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, got my onions going. And in the meantime, I'm going to go open my can of green beans. Okay, I've got my green beans, and I usually make 2 cans at a time, and I'll drain 1 can because I don't like all of the liquid. I'll usually drain 1 can and leave some of the liquid in the other can. So normally if I was, I add bacon to this, and normally what I would do is I would have my bacon in here cooking first before even adding the onion. And when it's about halfway done, then I would add the onion. But because I'm not cooking regular raw bacon, I'm going to actually use bacon bits, real bacon bits, not that fake stuff. These are real bacon crumbles. It's just, regular bacon that they've already got crumbled for you. It's really convenient. I mean, extremely convenient. So I'm going to go ahead and add these right here now. And I get this bag from Sam's Club as well. And I've also got for my husband and daughter, I've also got some potatoes in the microwave cooking for them. They're going to have potatoes. I'm just going to stick with the beef brisket and the green beans. So we're gonna go on and let this cook. I do have it on high. I just love this skillet, y'all. Tiffany, if you're watching, this is my favorite. This is my favorite skillet. It's so easy to clean. Oh, it just makes me happy. Sometimes I'll just cook just so I can use it. That's like no joke. Okay, let me lean this forward. I want you guys to be able to see that really good. Can you see those? Looks good. All right. Nothing but flavor in there. All right, so now is about time to go on and add our green beans. So again, I have 1 can with the liquid. Add it to the skillet. And then another can without. And right here is where you can season it with whatever type of all-purpose seasoning you want. I'm using, again, one of my favorites. I've showed you guys this before, the Sazon, and I never know if I'm saying that right, but that's how it's said in my house. So I'm gonna sprinkle some of that on. That's it, y'all. Gonna let these cook. All right, I'm gonna turn the heat down to medium low, and I'm just gonna let these simmer on medium low for, you know, they're already cooked, so let them simmer on medium low for about 8 minutes, just so that they're heated all the way through and some of those flavors can marry together. And that's it. Okay, it's been about 8 minutes and the green beans are ready. Delicious. Now it's time to take our beef brisket out of the oven. It's hot. All right, and there we have it. That's our beef brisket. Let me lean it in so you guys can get a better look at that. All right, and what I did was I seasoned it. It's already smoked through. Again, it was already cooked through. So all I did was put it in the oven, warmed it up, and I also added a little bit, I just used the last of it too, of the McCormick's Texas seasoning, Texas barbecue seasoning. I sprinkled some of that on top as well. And yeah, dinner is served. So I got this ready in about 30 minutes. Okay, everyone, dinner was amazing. I've got my kitchen all cleaned up now. It is time to go to bed. It is after 9 o'clock, and that's past bedtime for me. So thank you guys so much for joining me today for another vlog. I appreciate it when you guys are joining me. It is so nice and fun to hear from you. So remember, if you are watching, leave a comment below to let me know that you are here. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscription button and hit the notification bell right next to it so that you know every time I upload a new video. All right, well, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a blessed and a prosperous day. Talk to you in tomorrow's video. Bye.